Hey guys, so quick update on Big C. We do need, currently right now we are testing the 8612 price range, and the MACD currently we are still in bearish territory. It doesn't matter whatever anybody tells you, right? Like if you guys can see the MACD, we're still bearish. Nobody tells you, we're not in bullish territory right now. Momentum is going up. The AO oscillator is you can see that we're turning bullish, but the MACD, as long as you see these bearish candles going down, we're still bearish. Like until you guys see that crossover of the blue and over the red line, and then we see that green candle get created, we're still absolutely bearish. So what we're looking for is, we really need to cross over this price range of 8612 and retest over it. So what we got to do is we actually got to cross up over this red line and then go then test price back down, and then it's going to shoot back up. So currently right now we are looking, the 4-hour chart is looking bullish, which is pretty comforting, right? And then for currently right now for actual, for the day chart, we are starting to look bullish, but we need to cross this price range of 8612 and possibly close today above it so that we can, actually have the price range, in our favor. But as of right now, Big C, it did do exactly, it bounced off $70 and then it went back and it retouched the $86 level, which is exactly, what I told you guys it would do. Simple TA, right? But, I do expect the $30 rally. It looks like we are barely going to start hitting bullish territory soon. Which is fantastic, because if it already moved up like this and still, bearish territory, that means that when it's bullish, I definitely see the sentiment of it hitting all the way back up to $108, $106, and possibly even, going all the way back to 120, especially with the good earnings that we just had. So I'll see you guys later.